Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I was just scrolling through broadcast messages on PTS Oasis. Came across a new recall for the F150 and the Superduty 2023 model. So let's go take a look at that. Alright, broadcast messages. We're looking at safety recall 23S63, demonstration delivery hold, certain 23 F150s and Super Duty vehicles, Clockspring inspection and replacement. So we're going to click on that. Oops. And scroll on over here to the dealer bulletin. So if you have an F150 23 model built in Dearborn or Kansas, built March 13th, 23 through June 15th, 23, January 3rd, 23 through June 8th, 23 at the Kansas City. We don't care about the lightning. I'm just kidding. If you have a lightning, it's going to be that date. If you have a Super Duty, Kentucky plant, Ohio plant, January 6th, 23 through August 2nd, 23, March 27th, 23 through June 21st, 23. Approximately 17,981 vehicles affected. It is the ribbon cable insufficient weld on the bus bar and the ribbon cable on the back of the clock spring, which can lead to a loss of electrical connection to the driver front airbag. This will result in illumination of the airbag warning lamp. If you have an airbag warning illuminated, you may also notice loss of illumination and function of switches on the steering wheel, radio controls, little arrow buttons, things like that, or inoperative horn. Driver airbag that does not deploy when intended increases the risk of injury or crash. So I'm going to tell you how you can inspect this thing and what date code you're looking for to see if yours passes or fails. First, what you're going to do is look at your build date to see if it falls in that. Then you're going to remove the lower steering column shroud. Okay. Then you're going to grab a mirror and you're going to look between the steering wheel and the clock spring assembly. And this is what you're looking at. This is the steering wheel. Oh, excuse me. This is the back of the clock spring. Okay. You're just going to hold a mirror up and look between the back of the steering wheel and the clock spring. There's going to be a date code. It's going to be backwards because you're looking at it in a mirror. See how that says 2/3/23? February. Two, 3, 23. That's March 2nd, 2023. 2/3/23. So you're looking for codes 230222 through 230302. And when I say 230202, 230202. This one passes. So you were looking for 230222, 230302. So February 22nd through March 2nd, 2023. Those are the date codes you're looking for. If it passes, slap the shroud back together. If it doesn't pass, requires the clock spring replacement. But that's just something you can check with a mirror at home. If you have any questions, reach out to me with your VIN number. And I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.